So I have my chickpea wash, my okra, some crushed spelt flakes, and some chickpea crumbles. I've lightly seasoned them with sea salt and onion powder. I've gone ahead and diced up my okra, which has already been washed, and my chickpea wash is just chickpea and spring water, and I've let the okra soak for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to dip it in each one of the crumbles. So this is the spelt flakes, and this is the chickpea crumbles. Now you can fry this for about 3 minutes or so in some grapeseed or avocado oil. I'm going to bake them, so I have a pan here. I'm baking them on 350 degrees for 10 minutes, and the darker ones you see are the spelt and the lighter ones are the chickpea crumbles. And there you have it.